This quick, easy to make chicken soup is mildly spiced with Indian curry flavors, and addition of coconut milk gives it a delicious hint of sweetness which tastes amazing with the spice seasonings and has the added advantage of making this soup dairy free. Let's make comfort chicken soup in a one pot. Press the saute mode of an electric pressure cooker. Let the inner pot get heated up. Let's add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. We are using less amount of oil to prepare this recipe. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon stick to it. To this we are going to add crushed green cardamom pods. Crushing of cardamom pods helps to release the flavor from the seeds inside. After this we are going to add crushed garlic and lots of curry leaves. The curry leaves enhance the flavor of the soup. Let's saute it well in the oil. Allow the spices to sizzle in the oil. To this we are going to add finely chopped onions. Saute the onions well. Let's add half a teaspoon of salt to the onions. Adding salt to onions releases the moisture from the onions and softens the onions. Hence the onions get cooked faster. Saute the onions well. Since we are trying to use less amount of oil, there would be slight browning of onions at the bottom of the pan. Please do not worry. After pressure cooking with water, all the browning will be released automatically. Add 1 pound of boneless chicken pieces. You can use chicken pieces of your choice. To retain the texture of chicken, add big chunks of chicken pieces to the pot. We will shred the chicken after cooking it in one pot. Mix it well. Let's add 300 ml of water to the pot. Now let's add our spices. Let's start with adding coriander powder. Let's add cumin powder. Turmeric powder. Mix all the spices well. Let's close the lid of the pot. Pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. Pressure regulator in sealing mode. Once the cooking time is done, allow the natural pressure release for 10 minutes. Please release the remaining pressure. Let's go ahead and open the lid of the pot. With the help of fork and spatula, cut the tender cooked chicken into small bite-sized pieces. The use of bigger chunks of chicken before pressure cooking avoids the disintegration of chicken pieces once they are cooked. Squeeze lemon juice to the soup to enhance its flavor. Adjust to your taste. Let's add coconut milk to the soup. The use of coconut milk into the soup mellows down the spices, balancing the flavors. Please adjust the salt to taste. Finally, let's sprinkle some black pepper to the soup. and garnish it with fried onions while serving. This quick, easy to make chicken soup is mildly spiced with Indian curry flavors, and addition of coconut milk gives it a delicious hint of sweetness which tastes amazing with the spice seasonings and has the added advantage of making this soup dairy free. Hey, if you've forgotten to subscribe to our channel, then please do so now. Thank you.